Welcome to the Gorgeous Glow Skin Show. I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. I'm a board certified dermatologist, creator of the Gorgeous RX system, a best selling author, and I'm here to just talk to you today. Today we're going to basically talk about what to do now that a lot of us are getting out and about and back to work uh, after during this pandemic. And so, what do we need to do to make sure we're at our best, and how to deal with, if you're at locations where you need to wear a mask or not? And we'll talk about those things. But I'm hoping you have a wonderful day today. And we're going to get some people time to come on. So, I'll go from there. But anyways, I'm hoping that some people have been able to go back to baseline or their normal, if there's a such thing. And of course, majority of us had to recreate what is normal. Okay, so let's get started here. So today, like I stated, we're going to talk to you about what you can do, if you're in situations where, you need to wear your mask, or have you, as well as, a lot of people I've seen are having problems with the mask. And then there are situations where I've heard on the news how some um, business uh, locations do not want people to come to their locations if you don't have, if you do wear your mask. So, this brings up some interesting questions. But if you do not wear your mask, you still want to stay safe, which is to continue your social distancing, and also to, if you do not wear your mask, make sure you still try to avoid touching your face and your eyes. So keep your hands clean. If that's a sanitizer you were able to obtain, or if that's the mere fact of just washing your hands more often, but definitely avoiding your face. And what I've seen is a lot of people who do wear the mask, either at work, through this pandemic, that they're breaking out irritated, by the mask, of course. I've seen a lot in my office of not even the irritant dermatitis, which is irritation from the friction and the lack of moisture, but and maybe even either too much moisture or not enough, but a lot of acne, a lot of uh, acne and acne like eruptions. And that is usually due to clogged pores, which is from the fact that you have this mask on, and either the moisturizer you're using is too heavy, or your skin is producing too much oil. So what you want to do at that moment, especially now that we're going into the summer, getting out of the spring, going into the summer months, you want to try a different type of moisturizer. If you do need to wear your mask every day, and a good moisturizer is something, of course, they have ceramides in it that hydrate the skin and keeps the moisture in, but it does not clog your pores. So a ceramide in itself does not clog pores. However, the oils that is used in certain moisturizers can clog your pores. So just keep that in mind. Unfortunately, I love coconut oil. However, if you have acne, coconut oil is not the product you want, not the ingredient you want in your product. It unfortunately they rate oils, and the top 10, the highest number 10 mean is it causes acne, clog your pores, whereas the one does not. And unfortunately, coconut oil is a number 10. So just keep that in mind, because I like coconut oil, but that is not a good product to have if you tend to have acne. And now that if you with your job or businesses that you enter, you are required to wear your mask, that it can clog your pores and cause acne like eruptions. Now, a product that does not, I'm sorry, that is really good for your acne or preventing acne oil is shea butter. Shea butter is a one, so rated as one. So therefore, it does not, is non-comedogenic, is the fancy word you want to know about, and it does not clog your pores. So that is a good option. And of course, there's other products, but those are, your common ones. So with that being said, number one, If you need, again, you want to stay safe, keep your social distancing. But number two, you want to, if you do not have to wear a mask, or if you do, again, continue to wash your hands for 20 to 30 seconds, and also avoid touching your face. But number three, if you do need to wear the mask due to your job or locations that you enter, then you want to, diminish your products that you're using that tend to clog your pores, or you want to change the products altogether. So some products that are good for you. We have those products, of course. we, and that's what I want to talk to you about. As you can see on the crawler, Gorgeous RX, and that is the big reveal. So, which is gorgeousrx.com. So you've heard me talk about the product line that I have, and I've had gorgeousrx.com since, I would say, January is when we changed the name, rebranded it. I rebranded the product, but it's been the same product, Skin Essentials, that I've had for years, and I've been selling that product in my office and online for years now, up to about 5 years. So it's the same product, same ingredients, and we've changed some things that you will see in the next coming days. But anyways, we're going to have a product launch. So with that, we're just going to introduce Gorgeous RX to Facebook and to all the viewers. And so I hope you can attend. It is, of course, going to be June 18th, a Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So definitely join us, and you can learn about the Gorgeous RX system and, of course, some other neat things that we do have to offer. But to help you out, just with the things that I've mentioned, one, I talked about, sanitizer. Well, we have a hand sanitizer, and it's really nice because it has hyaluronic acid in it, and it has hemp seed oil in it, so it's a good moisturizer. But we also have products that does not clog your pores. So if you need a really good moisturizer, there's the one is the hydrating cream moisturizer that does have ceramides, but it does not cause acne. So it's one of I could say my second bestseller, actually. And then now that we're in the summer months, for women who do not like moisturizers, but they want a hydrator, there's the Ultra Hydrator. It is really nice. So if you need some refreshing, some type of fluid on your skin, but yet it hydrates the skin as well as helps with those fine lines and wrinkles, then you want the Ultra Hydrator. So, and I put these things in the crawler here, but these are some products that you may want to consider if you do need a little help while we're still in this pandemic. But again, thank you for joining, and I can't wait to see you again, June the 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be streaming live from Gorgeous RX at Facebook.com at Gorgeous RX. And definitely go on to grxproducts.com, grxproducts.com to register for the Go Live event, grxproducts.com. So I'm going to show you that link. And so you definitely can, grxproducts.com to register to attend the product launch, the virtual product launch that we're going to have Thursday, June the 16th. Thank you again, and welcome to the Gorgeous RX. Again, go to the website, gorgeousrx.com to look at the products. And again, welcome. And I hope things are going as you wish, with this pandemic, and you are, adjusting with all the changes and the are protesting, and I'm hoping you're staying safe. But thank you again for joining me today. Again, I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson, board certified dermatologist and creator of the Gorgeous RX system, as well as a best-selling author. Thank you and have a wonderful evening, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.